doing something different in an industry that thrives off Black trauma. My name is Monique Letamendi. I am the artistic director of Vibe Theater Experience. I still have anxiety, like crippling anxiety. Like I had to reschedule a meeting with my executive director last week because I couldn't function. I was crying, I was anxious. Like in nonprofit world, I'm very vigilant and very careful about what I say and how I say it. And then it's like, you want to be your authentic self, but then you're tied to an organization. So I think it's like extreme paranoia. I think it's anxiety. I'm feeling like I'm not doing enough, even though I have 16 meetings a week, and it's just like having to overwork and feeling like I have to kind of do more. And it's wild to me because I've been trying to compartmentalize, and I'm looking for a therapist. I'm trying to really get it like sorted out because I'm in an organization that cares and caters to my own mental health, and I still feel anxious. I know that my anxiety, my imposter syndrome, my confidence issues, my identity issues are a direct result of working in white organizations, white-led organizations, in nonprofit world, I will say that. So what to do with this list of demands? I know you're asking. This is what you should do. You should share it. First, you should find it at the New York City Arts, Education, and Roundtable website. You're gonna take that, you're gonna share it with your friends, you're gonna share it in your organization, you're gonna give it to your boss, you're gonna give it to your executive director friends, you're gonna give it to your artistic director friends, you're gonna give it to your friends, you're gonna give it to family, you're gonna read it yourself, you're gonna internalize it, and then you're gonna go out in the community and figure out how to make this a thing. #rebuild, #reconcile, #reimagine.